Are you a content creator? Do you have a YouTube channel? Want to monetize, promote, and protect your channel from intellectual property theft? At Forever, we will monetize, optimize, and protect your channel, helping you earn better. We also offer you professional content management support guidance. Join our network today and enjoy our premium benefits. Contact us at mcn@forever.com.
Thank you, my son.
Mama.
Oh, that's why I talk about you. Hey.
Mama, if I don't do this for you, who will do it?
Let me go and get the food ready.
Okay, Mama. Okay.
The sun is back in full effect. I need all y'all to call my name. I can't hate, man. I need you to call my name. I got you, Mom. Dad. Love, Mom. Love. Dad. Look at you, man. You look young. I love you, Dad. I love you.
Yeah. I know you, man. I know you. For real? Yes.
Princess! Give some brother a hug. Give some brother a hug. I got you, man. I got you. Yeah. Look at my luggage.
Prince Onoche.
Oh, Your Excellency, sir.
Would you still like to go back abroad?
No, they don't, please. I don't think this is still important again.
Why do you object?
Don't. Please, I wouldn't like to take chances anymore. This is taking risk. God has saved me from the dirty minds of Akogu people. And Prince Onoche here is the only son I have. He is the one to succeed my throne.
Your Highness, we all know that. But we are not supposed to be afraid of risk. If not, we will not succeed in life.
He's right. And I would like to send him to Germany with my son here. My sister and the family live in Germany. I'm doing all these things because I do not want them to fall victims to the menace of kidnappers.
Hey, Your Excellency the Don, you will live long, sir. And may God continue to bless you for your goodwill towards us. God bless you.
Your Excellency, sir, I am really happy. I quite appreciate. I really don't know how to say thank you. But all the same, I must say thank you, sir.
Please, don't mention. Don't mention, it's alright. Princess, how are you faring?
I'm doing well.
That, I love that smile.
Zako, I'm sure this August visit of yours is of a good news.
Igwe, if you are not sure, who else? Igwe.
Let me take you by your words.
Yes.
Who is this young man in our midst?
Igwe, you forgot easily. This is not my son now, Ubunna. You should know him now when he was small. Now he has grown. You know, children eat too much food now and grow like a Iroko tree. The one that you promised me now, that you promised that your daughter will get married to him.
You're welcome, my dear. What do you do for a living?
Yes, I live at Obosi. And I sell motor pass at Umbuko Obosi. I have Volvo, Mercedes, Camry. Even motor gun, Ibute na, Ibisi ya. Ibuka na, Ibuteregi profit. Ibuteregi profit Ozubo. And I go.
It's a professional Nambukase. Motor Nambukase now.
And Zako, I thought you were my best friend. You didn't tell me that your son has grown up to this grown-up man.
I'm sorry for not telling you, but you should know now. Igwe, you should know that. You shouldn't have forgotten easily. Igwe, where is our wife, Princess? Go ahead to come and see her husband to be. Go on. So that you will say hello to us.
Pure, mellow. See what that princess guy for.
Princess went away with her brother, the prince, and I don't know when really they will be coming back. Don't worry, I will make another arrangement for both of us to see, and he will see him. He will see her very, very well.
But please, can I see a picture? Emmanuel, can we phone?
Emma, you know, he has not seen her for a long time.
No, the princess locked her room, and I can't get in there. Don't worry, there's no problem. I will make a necessary arrangement.
Igwe, remember your promises, so.
Okay. Thank you, my dear.
So, my son, how was your day with the princess?
Splendid, Dad. I enjoyed it. The entire community knew that somebody was around.
I hope she understands. Did she?
I think so. Dad, you know, this is the third time I'm trying to fall in love. So, it's not going to be easy for me, you know.
That is it. It is now time for you to be loyal and humble so that your character will not scare me. Do you understand?
Come on, Dad. What has my character got to do with her love for me?
Your character has many things to do. If you are loyal to somebody, you have to know what she likes and do it in order to please her. Do you understand,
Dad, you mean I should ask her what to do to satisfy her? What human demands never come to an end, you know.
My son, I have done my best for you. I built a house for you. It is now left for you to make it a home. Do you understand it?
Wow, Dad.
Yes.
But...
No, but.
Igwe, are you trying to say that what I agreed with you on a broad daylight is just an ordinary nightmare? I want to understand. Igwe, put me through.
Zakonobi.
Igwe.
What exactly do you want me to say for you to understand me easily? What do you want me to do? To force my daughter out from Don's son just because of a motor pass dealer. Is that so? Don't allow me to do what I don't want to do.
It is said that who dines with a lion must be smart. Okay. Igwe, I appreciate your betrayal and refund of money. Just keep it. I don't need it. Heaven will judge. I don't need it. Heaven will judge.
Is that going to be?
Yes.
Never you walk out on me. And if you do, make sure you don't step your foot in this palace again.
A dog does not bite a bone that ties on its neck. If you see me in your palace, do your wish until the storm is over. In fact, Igwe, I have resigned as the palace secretary.
Oh yes, you go. Oh yes, you go. Is that going to be? This man is a fool.
Zach, I really don't know how to appreciate what you do.
If I did not do it, who else would I do it? I'm not afraid.
Zach, you saved me from the wagon top of the entire hall. Do you know I would have been declared a good prince everywhere? And you know what that means? Hi.
I would have done my wife is pregnant.
My brother, please, just exercise. Let me rest the money.
Now, you have to just keep it for a second. Let's see if there's one. Don't just worry.
Thank you.
Resigning as Igwe's secretary.
No. A month ago, my wife delivered a baby bouncing boy. As well as his wife, they delivered a princess Nneka and died. I took the responsibility upon me to ensure that Onoche is not lacking for that for the princess. To make sure that Onoche is not lacking for the princess. Because I know that one day, that girl will be a great person. Onoche promised me, that my son Obunna will marry the princess. But as I speak, Onoche disappointed me. He disappointed me.
Wait, a snake one man saw easily turned to python. Was anybody there to witness when you people had this agreement?
No, there was nobody, just between me and him.
Do you have any proof now to show that there was an agreement between both of you?
That was the mistake I made. A very great mistake. I would have not believed anybody, even a prophet, told me that one day that Onoche will come up and disappoint me. Without, in fact, I am disappointed. I am disappointed.
Zako, you are an elder.
Yes.
The mistake has been made. And my advice is to you, go back to Onoche and collect the money you borrowed to him.
Huh?
Go back. There are many other girls that can make a good wife for your son. Have you even thought about it? That even your son and the girl might not be in love. And you and I know that marriage without love is prison. Forget about them.
No. What do you suggest I should do? I'm confused.
I will tell you in a plain language. Go back and collect your money and let them be. There are many fishes in the river.
No.
A princess is the only woman.
No. I can never step my feet into Onoche's palace. I can never. Yes, I have resigned as the secretary. I have resigned. I can't.
Love yourself, me where to begin. Love someone when you're me where to begin.
Dad.
Princess.
How you doing?
Fine, my dear.
How was it?
My darling.
I'm fine.
How was the work?
Hectic. Today is so... like I'm so tired right now. How you doing?
Not bad, my dear.
Hey, Dad, I want to ask you a question. Do you have any problem with Maze and Zako?
Why do you ask?
I've not been seeing him here for some time, and I think I've seen him on my way 2 times or so, and he didn't respond to my greetings.
No, my dear. There is no problem at all. It's only that we had a little misunderstanding, which we have already resolved. Huh?
Dad, are you sure?
Take me by my words. That's no problem.
It's alright. Do you care for anything? Fruits.
Oh, yes. Oh, okay.
Mom, can't damn wait to get my damn hands out of this neighborhood. I mean, this community, man. Look around the palace, man. Look around the hood. It's damn boring to me.
Shut up. The house less than so boring to you right now. As if you have your own reality to promote.
You know what, Mom? I'm gonna tell you something. You see those men in China, in Malaysia, Ghana, France, Italy, Germany, above all, Brazil, and other part of the world, toiling around the sun. It's them for one reason, you know. It's all about the survivor, man. It's them all about the street. Come on, Mom, look around you, man. Look around the damn dirty palace. It's not even worthy at all. Huh? We are third class royalty. If we were to be like the Orb of Benin, the Obi of nature, I would have begun with this shit. But right now, I ain't feeling it. I can't damn wait to get my damn hands out of this place all time. And make some money, man. Come back home and fix up the damn equations. That's what I'm talking about.
After everything you just said, you have to do what? Thank your God for bringing you back home alive from the one you back door. And you have to thank the dawn for coming to your rescue.
Come on. No, I quite appreciate don't ever the mom release. But as it is right now, I still need to get my damn house uptown. And you know what, Mom? I thank God for giving us the princess, man. You know, for being able to give me the second chance on trying to lead this damn community. That's what I'm talking about, man.
I'm happy about her too. My only fear is let her not change her mind.
Change her mind? Over what? Joel? Don's son?
No one can tell. You know you can't predict that girl.
Yes, Mom. Yes. Mom, you're damn right. I think it's high time I start getting nice to as well.
Where are you both coming back from?
Are you insane? Are you damn insane? Now you have better listen and listen real damn good. Let this be the first and the last time I'ma see you sick. Let alone walk out of this damn palace with the princess. Did I make myself clear to you?
Yes, my prince.
You got me?
Yes, my prince.
What's the meaning of all this rubbish?
My dear, just cool down. You know, you now belong to someone else. Huh? Joa would not like to see you walking around the street or around the road with this thing.
I don't understand. You call my maid a thing. Human being like you and I. I don't understand all this segregation.
I need you to get your damn hands out of my side. Get the shit out of my side.
You're right. Not your pastor level.
Onoche, can I won't go? Mind the way you talk to my maid. And mind the way you treat them. I don't like it. I think I need to sit down to know the meaning of all this rubbish.
Fools, man. All you're damn fools. You trying to ruin my trip down to Germany? Nonsense. Let me see all your bitches hanging out with the princess. All you are fools.
Just chill down.
Dad,
I enjoyed every little moment I spent with her. She is the type to talk about.
Relax, son. I know how to do my own thing and get it gummed in my palm.
What do you mean, Dad?
I have what they need most, and I will not release it to them until they meet what your heart desires.
What could that be?
The visa, of course.
Oh!
Prince Onoche needs it, as well as the king and the family, Diwe and the family.
In other words, I should go and relax.
Don't relax. Don't be in a haste. Otherwise, you'll belittle yourself before her. There are many girls out there who can't wait for you to clap your hands, and they will run after you. So just relax.
That's why I said you are the best in this game, and you own the town. Your Highness, I brought this to you. You know, this wine is sold 150,000 in this country.
And you bought it for me? Oh, my son, it is too much for me. It is too much.
No. We can't take it. This is too much. It will be a waste.
Your Highness, you know, this is too small to compare to what I would do in your lives after I must have married the princess as my wife.
Joel, I think we should leave now.
And what did you just call him now?
You need not to worry. She will soon learn how to address me. Soon. And you know, this village is really affecting the indigenous life. That is why I must take her along with me after our wedding to abroad, you know.
Please, my in-law, don't be angry of what she called you now. Don't be angry of what she called you now. Let's just take it as a sleep.
Yes,
that is it, Your Highness. That is it. Your Highness, I think, babe, let's get out. Come on. Your Highness. Once again. You're welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Your Highness, I shall mean no disrespect. I think it's high time you had better sit your daughter down and talk some senses into her. That girl, I do not trust in any way. If she eventually refuses Joel's proposal later, you shall know what that means to us all.
No, she won't. No, she can't disappoint.
You think so?
Yes, I trust her this time. She will not. All right.
I don't think.
Oh no. Your Majesty. You know what this development will bring to our people, the community. Not only me, but the entire Agogo people will benefit from it.
Your Majesty, you are right. I've been worried. Makani manu to bodode on madeka na ya. Emanunda for job. You know, but all the same, we cannot fold our hands and do nothing about it. And I know that you are equal to the task.
I make sure that whatever step that is taken in this development, you people will be updated. Exactly. And you have to do that for me. I know you are capable for that. Please tell others. No problem, then I thank you for honoring my invitation.
No problem, Majesty. I'm always at your service. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Igwe.
I'm also trying. You how many suitors have chased away from my daughter because I want us to be alone. It is not over
until it is over. You have to keep on chasing them until it is over. Understand? Let me ask you, do you realize what your daughter's decision can bring to your life and that of your family? It can, you? Negative or positive. Which of them do you choose?
Now, please, let us not take out negativity. Let us find a way to achieve this dream. Please.
It is left for you and your daughter. I have many things to attend to. Let's talk.
Son, you are back.
Yes, Mama.
How did the interview go?
Well, I've tried my best and I've left the rest to God.
He will definitely do it for you. He will not allow you to walk about like a sheep without a shepherd.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, how is your health?
I'm fine.
Have you taken your drugs?
No. Please, my son. Help me peel one orange. I want to take it first.
Before the drug?
My mouth is bitter.
Okay. I'm coming, Ma.
This ball into your hands.
Your Highness, if you really want this relationship to work out, there are certain things which you must do. You know, I have principles and policy, and I cannot change it because I want to marry your daughter.
Well, I've just heard all you've said. I will talk to her when she's back, and I will do that today.
Good for you. You know, the earlier you do that, the better for all of us, you know.
Can we go now?
Yeah. My in-law Joel, we are damn good to go.
Okay.
What are we waiting for, my angel?
Let's go. Your Highness, let it be as we discussed.
Let's go.
Hey, this girl. I wonder what she's up to.
None here. If eventually, by the end of this year, this man doesn't come back to this village, I will just leave this land. Someone I served for 5 years without being settled. And you think I'm happy? Huh? This is a year and 2 months I've been in this village, all in the name of waiting for Agiyu to come and settle me.
Diego, see, the problem that I have with this our community is that there's no law that stands. They make a law today and it fails tomorrow. Was it not just last year that Igwe and his council sat down and decided that any man that does not settle his servants if his tenure is due that person will be banished from our society.
Not for spirits of humans. Huh? It's not the same law. The Igwe, Ichien's Nzako, and Ichie Buzwe are the head of the committee. None here. You see, that law is for themselves. See, if you just fold your hands and be waiting for the Igwe's law to come and fight for you, one day, Igeko. Igeko.
What is going on in this our land?
You are asking me if the Igwe can betray Ichie Nzako, his palace secretary, and charge me for that matter over treasure. Who else do you think he and his evil co can accommodate?
All because of treasure. Fiakwa. I think Ichie has even resigned as the palace secretary and has withdrawn himself from all the cabinet meetings.
If you were the one who want to do the same, let me go and check the yam if it's done. I'm very
No justice in our land.
Your Highness.
My dear.
I can't wait to witness the day they done our friend, the governor of this our state, the senators, ministers, commissioners, and all the people that matters, as in who is who in this our country. We storm this our community of Akog, all because of princess wedding. Oh my God. You see that day, I will feel as if I'm in heaven on earth. My joy will know no limits.
My lord, I have also waited for that day to come. The day I will be lifted from this lowly second-class Igwe to first-class Igwe, who can comfortably compete with the Obi of furniture. Princess is now the key to my pride.
Our pride. Our pride, not only you. Yours.
She will also add ego to my prestige.
Our prestige.
My dear, our prestige. And those who refuse to honor me as Igwe will bow before me.
Your Highness, they will bow on the ground, on the floor.
Yes.
On the floor. They must. Here she comes. What's happened, Princess?
Princess, what is wrong? Why is your face like this? Huh? And where is my in-law?
You have his number, right? You can call him.
Princess! Princess, come! Princess!
This girl. Princess. Onochie.
Yes, Dad.
What is wrong with Princess?
I mean, this is absolute bullshit, Dad. You had better call your daughter, man, and talk to her. She's got some damn plans to run right there for me. And I tell you, Dad, the devil is a liar. Because I ain't caught up for that shit.
Oh shit. What is happening? These children will kill me. Hello? Hello? What? How dare you off the phone? Oh. Princess Adora, I will show you what fire does with a stubborn rat's ear. How I will deal with you.
Love for yourself, me what a biggie. Love for someone when you me what a biggie.
This one, you're in my room this night. Hope all is well.
There are lots of problems. There are again lots and lots of problems, Adora. Adora, there are lots and lots of problems.
So, what is it?
What has come over you? What has then come over you? Why did you pick up dress calls?
I don't understand.
Why?
And since when have you become Jewel's PA? No, I'm asking you. Since when? I'm asking you. What effect do you have with the calls I pick and the ones I don't pick?
Now you had better listen. You don't seem to have the slightest idea of the implication of what you're trying to do to me, man. What is going on? Pick up these calls and find out why the hell is calling you.
Please, Onochi. I don't want any other person to get me angry this night. Biko, and when you're done, please close the door behind you.
Adora, did you just turn your damn bed on me? Huh? You're a total mess. And damn you!
Can you imagine? Please. And why did you even call me?
Love for yourself, me what a biggie. Love for someone when you me what a biggie.
I told him I am no longer interested. I am not interested. You should just leave me alone.
Something went on yesterday, which none of you yet agreed to tell me. That is why I called this meeting. As the head of the family and community at large, it is my responsibility to dictate and solve a problem immediately. So tell me.
My children, what is the problem? What happened?
Dad, Mom, as you can see, you got no problem. It's all about your daughter, Princess. She ain't picking up Joel's call since we got back, man.
What exactly is the cause? Adora.
Dad, she told me this morning that Joel ain't the kind of man she would probably want to be with. For no just reason, man.
Is that true? Or was it a joke?
That is true, and it's not a joke.
I told you, Dad. I told you, Mom. She messed up.
What is the cause?
I don't think there should be a reason for her not to pick his call. And if there be any, I think it should be sorted out here right now.
You see, Ma, she told me Joel is arrogant. I'm quite disrespectful to her. That was just all she said without an excuse.
Dad.
Adora.
Joel is not the kind of man I want in my life. He can't make me happy. All he brings in my life is pain and anger, and I can't take it.
Calm down, my daughter. We will talk over this.
That's the first time I went out with Joel. All I witnessed was beating here and there. How could he be so heartless to order his boys to beat up a bike man of about 40 years just because he horned to pass? The other day, he asked a man to use his shirt to clean his car just because he laid on his car to answer a call. Dad, is that right? Is that no wickedness? How could he be so heartless? Dad, please, I can't though. I can't be with such man. Onoche here, he even witnessed what happened yesterday.
Nonsensical nonsense. Did you hear me? I said that's nonsensical nonsense. Oh, if he flogged a bike man and asked the other man to clean his car with his own shirt, how does that supposed to be your headache? Tell me, how does it affect you?
I told you, Mom. She's your daughter, man. You had better ask her that.
Mom is supposed to be my headache. Because these people you're talking about are human beings like you and I.
Adora, for the case of the bike man, you and I know for sure how foolish and stupid they could be.
Oh.
That of a man, they behave like animals. The case of a man lying on his car to answer call, does Joel's car look like a pillar to him?
Dad, is this your judgment?
Of course, yes.
What is even wrong with you, Adora? Huh? What is wrong with you? Oh, I can see that sitting and chatting with these rats we call mates in this house is really affecting your life. And I know what to do about it.
When as I see you hanging around with those fools of a maid, you ain't gonna like me.
Onoche,
I just told you.
Why will you call them fool?
You keep quiet.
Adora, calm down. We will talk over this. Not this time. Adora, my daughter. No man is perfect. And no engine that is 100% efficient. Joel might be good to you, but not to all men.
Dad, Joel is naturally arrogant. In fact, he's heartless. He has no human sympathy. Dad, I can't accept Joel by my side unless he starts to realize that all humans are equal.
No. That's where you got it wrong. My daughter. Listen, all men are not equal. All angels are not even equal. Talk less of human beings. Listen, if you think that Joel can descend so low down to earth to agree that all men are equal, then where is his respect as the state #1 son?
You see what I'm saying, Dad? Pride and arrogance. That Joel has no human sympathy. He has no respect for humans. He thinks the world revolves around him. That if you people have any business with Joel and his family, please tell him that it will not work unless he changes.
Listen, please, I will talk to him about this, but promise me you will welcome him when he comes. I will personally call him on phone and invite him here tomorrow.
Dad, I'm around tomorrow. I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, thank you, my dad. Thanks.
Alright, Dad.
You need more orange?
Let me cut for you.
Yeah, come in. Oh, no, sir. Are you back? Yes, good. How was it? How are you? Were you able to come up with the money?
Yes. I was able to. Okay, this is what I was able to raise.
How much is that?
It's 5,000 naira.
No, sir. See, I'm doing all these things because of the love I have for your person. Do you know I'm a junior doctor in this hospital? And I'm going against the rules of the management. So I've known you and your mom since your dad died in this same hospital. Because of... I'm commencing treatment on your mother.
Oh, are you serious?
I will deposit the money from my account.
Doctor, thank you very much.
But also, you have to do everything possible to pay me back.
Doctor, I'll pay you back. I swear I will. I'll get the money and I'll pay you. I'll pay you back.
I'll take your word for it. Let's go.
I can see that you rats have grown wings in that you are crossing your boundary here. Today, I will teach you a lesson that you will not forget in a hurry in your entire life. We are very sorry. It's happening again. Will you shut up? You want to inflict your wretched life on the princess so that my son, my loving son, will lose his visa to Jammu from Joel. After dealing with you today, anywhere you see princess, you will be on your heel and run as if you saw a devil. Prince Anochie! Prince Anochie!
Right, Mom? I'll be with you short, man. Good. I can see all your bitches as beginning to disrespect my mom. Right? And you know disrespecting my mom is like disrespecting me on the throne. Right? I want your bitches down. Your face down! You piece of shit! Huh? You think I'm freaking joking, right? No. Are you really disrespecting my mom? You're trying to disrespect my mom? Disrespecting my mom, so disrespecting me. That's the counting You think I'm joking? Will you disrespect my mom? No. I can't hear your bitches, man. I need to hear it clearly. to the throne?
Yes.
Okay, go down, man. How many? How many? Man, you good?
Go on with it.
You just heard what my mom said. Your bitches! Your bitches! You think I'm fucking joking? How many? Say what? Hey, man. I need you to talk loud. I need you to speak loud, bitch ass. How many? I told you, man. I'm coming right now for your bitch ass. And now, I'm coming with you biggest. Princess, it's an instruction.
Now, will rats get up and go inside your room?
That's your shit! Run! That's your shit! I want you fish ass out of this too now! Your pockets! Man, you good? I told you I got your heart, man. I got your back. Nonsense! It's a piece of shit. You know what? They ain't walking in this palace no more.
No problem.
I told you, man. I told you. Bitches.
So Dad, it has gotten to this. It has gotten to this, Dad. You would think this is the right thing you can do to appease me?
Calm down, my daughter. Calm down.
Why should I calm down? Why? That you people have the heart to molest innocent maid because of that thing you call Jewel? That you have touched me where it pains me the most.
Oh, my daughter. Why are you pursuing the bed that God has just thrown into your palms? The same bed other girls out there are dying to have.
Spare me all that. To hell with that bed for all I care. Dad, did you know what you people did? It can never be revived. You people can never appease me for Jewel. Never! Not even in this world. Never!
And who are we trying to appease here? You? Azamadioha? Or Maliko? Thunder, the god of the sun? Or who? Listen, my dear princess. I've not even started. By the time I will raise that dust, no place will be able to content you. I mean, even in this community. It's a promise. I know myself. I keep my promise.
Mom, I would rather strain myself alive than to set my eyes on that beast, let alone stand before him.
Then, be ready to strain yourself. Igwe, did you hear that? I said, did you hear just that? And you're not saying anything. Okay, we shall see.
Lord, you have to understand that this place is nobody's home. We have no other options now.
Yeah, I understand, but I don't want to have anything to do with Igwe and his cabinet members anymore. In fact, not ever.
See, there is no harm in trying. Let us try.
I think so. Okay, let's go. But let me tell Mama that we're going out.
Don't tell her where we are going.
No.
Oh, hey man! Full operation. The ultimate. Oh, Rosu. You see how they speak TikTok, they speak Orobo, to be brave. Bullet dash your keep on my body.
Our DBA is a very strong one.
Because you see, we've been.
I've been telling you.
See us from out of them.
Imagine that, what do you call it, that vigilante wanted to show himself.
Yeah, you want to talk see how we touch the hand. Hey! Forgot somebody go find me. Forgot somebody go find me.
Who is that? Yeah, come in.
I believe you! Now wait the rage!
Well, I think I'm using a follow-up.
Wait, what's that? I'm on. Oh! Ashola. I this year, we no level. Yeah? Don't be this. See, Oluwa the Shola boys, we're making money this year. I'm going to say, look at chance. Now, wow. Voice don't fresh, voice don't sure. Now, the money with this whole they talk. For no one is sure.
I'm back.
Take these gifts to the princess house and make sure you deliver this gift to her directly. I don't want stories.
Alright, sir.
Take it and get out.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
I've heard what you said. Mana ogologo kwatra na ukambede. No long sermon in evening service. I don't have money anywhere in this house now. I would suggest you come tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow, sir?
Yes. I'll make some arrangements. But I want to say one thing. Yeah?
Yes.
What I will arrange for you will be 10,000 naira. It will be non-refundable.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Because I'm not convinced. Makana Deba is no nejiri bira abre neja akuye. I was not convinced that in 2 weeks' time that you'll be able to pay me back 15,000. That's let me assist you. So come back tomorrow morning. I will give it to you.
I will come tomorrow, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
And greet your mother for me, eh?
I will, sir. I will. Thank you, sir. Okay. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye.
Let's go. So, Uche, from what Onowu said, what do you think from that his promise?
You know, I told you this will work out. Yeah? If Onowu will welcome us and talk to us the way he did, you have to believe him. You don't need to doubt it. But to me, at first, I thought we were just going there to try our luck and be insulted.
Exactly! That was what I thought. I thought he would even embarrass us and chase us away. But thank God.
But now, hope we are going straight to the hospital. That is what we are supposed to do. But we'll go home first and eat. After eating, then we'll now go to the hospital. We'll just go to the house. Because of food. So you want us to go to the hospital with empty stomach? Yeah? Do you know how it's this morning, how hungry I am? Don't worry. I have some money here. We'll go to Mama Dugu's restaurant and eat. Let's be going. My problem is that if we get there now.
Okay. By 10 tomorrow. Yeah, okay. Please come with the change as well, so I can pick. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye. Silas.
Yes.
And who brought that?
It's a graduate that sent one of his boys to bring it for you.
Joel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Was there anyone home when they came? I mean, my dad.
I don't know. He just asked if you're around, so I told him no. I told him no, so he gave it to me to keep for you.
And you collected it? And you collected an man. Give it to me.
Thank you, my princess.
Yemi. Come here! Right there. And what's that noise outside?
Princess, I don't know.
Today be the first and last day you will ever collect any gift on my behalf. Did you hear me? What's this regard check your email and also?
Which kind of nonsense is this now? Who is here? Who threw this thing now? Who did my friend with it? No, who is here? Who is that? Who is that? Come. What is it? Who threw this now? What's going on there? Who did my friend?
It's the princess. She threw it over the fence.
Princess.
What is that?
You are the princess, right?
Yes, any problem?
Who threw this thing out? Who wounded my friend?
I'm so sorry.
Your sorry cannot cure him. You have to do something.
I'm truly sorry, please. Okay, let me get my car so I can take him to the hospital.
Go and bring it now.
I'm sorry, please. I'm coming. Silas!
Silas! Silas! Where is this boy? Silas!
Hello. Yes, Her Majesty.
Where is Princess?
She's not yet back.
Not yet back from work or where?
No, she's back from work, but she took someone to somewhere I don't know. there's a gift Oga Joel brought. So she now gave me the gift I kept, and she threw the thing over the fence. She now wounded someone. I guess she took him to the hospital.
Silence. Honestly, I don't understand what you're trying to say. Which jewel are you talking about? And which gift did Joel bring here today?
Oga Joel sent one of his boys to bring a gift for Princess.
Then what happened?
She rejected it, man. And they warned me seriously not to collect any gift from Oga Joel. She now flung it over the fence and he wounded someone.
And what's the contents of the gift?
Well, I didn't open it, but let me get it.
It's okay. You may go to your daughter, please.
What is it? What is the problem again?
Is it not Princess, your daughter? Your charming daughter? Your all and all daughter? Look at the gift Silas gave to me. She rejected from Joel. Not only did she reject it, she flung it over the fence. She threw it over the fence. She flung it over the fence. Imagine! Igwe, I am going to keep this gift with me until she comes back. Legodi no ugochukwu tunyere ya. Ojira ka ya na elufia.
You're welcome. No. Hey, no. No. Is this not Princess Adora?
She's the one.
No.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, welcome. Hey, thank God for you.
Mama, I'll be on my way now. But don't hesitate to call me anytime you need my help. Tell Noso to call me, especially for your help, please.
You see, God will bless you. Our God will embarrass you with a favor. God will bless you for your kindness. Hey,
Mama, I'll be on my way now. But don't worry, tomorrow I'll come and check on you when I close from work. Okay? Also, let me be on my way. Uche, take care of yourself.
No. Very bad man.
Mama, bye-bye.
Hey. But I can't believe my eye. Yeah. Hey. Imagine. This God is too much. Extra much. God is too much. Hey. Wait now. Nonso will come and tell us how the story all started. All ears and nature. I'm waiting for him. Hey, Mankawasa.
Tosma! Come here! Bring me back! Come on! This is a box from there!
The good Lord Jehovah, he made my couple and run over. In the rain and now the storm is over. You can't try because I got my back over. All my ladies, are you feeling okay? It's a brand new day. Money blessings just come my way. The rain have come and go, we see they okay. And someone because you are worried. Can't start this always, can't say from 442 to Sabele. Money too much, because you are kidding.
Cheers.
I'm doing this one. We talking money, we talking.
And the money be that. Now you.
That money makes no sense. You got 6 cars, I got 6 cars. Ladies, can you choose 6 packs over 6 cars?
Bro, please come out. Contrago. Please come out. You know what that's all?
Nonsense. You see the phone, that money makes no sense. Too much money, police ask me for life.
Okay. This is my card. You can call me anytime you need help, especially for your mother's health. Remember what the doctor told you, that she's your all and all now. And okay, you can have this. You can have it and run some little affairs.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Uche, hope I'm free to go now.
You say that you're free to go.
Okay. Hope you're not still angry with me.
No, he's not. I can speak for him.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can I go now? Alright. Take care, guys.
Alright, you
Bye.
take care. Bye.
Simon. For both of us.
Who told you it's for
Give me
both of
some.
us? You can tell me to give you some, not that it's for both of us.
Jimmy.
Take this one. At least now I have money to go for that my job interview I told you about. That guy is rich, you. Eh? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Where are you coming from by this time of the night?
Dad, I'm sorry. I took someone to the hospital. That is where I'm coming back from. I hurt someone, so I had to take him to the hospital for treatment. And I told you that on phone. I'm sorry for coming back late, Dad.
Okay. Silas has told me everything. What about the young man you injured?
He's better now. He's okay.
Princess, why did you reject Joel's gift?
Dad, please. Biko, can we talk about this tomorrow morning? I'm tired. I need to rest. Tomorrow morning before I leave for work.
Okay. Make sure you see me tomorrow morning before you leave for work.
Yes, Dad. Most definitely, I will.
blockhead! In my shop! What are you with this? Where are you? What did you man? I've been looking for you everywhere. Are you serious? So, I just did. I just search for job, man. Since I left university, man, no show. I swear down, man. In my blockhead!
Stop calling me blockhead. I know you helped me pass through secondary school, but now I'm a big boy.
In my blockhead!
No, so my brother. So where are you heading to?
I wanted to buy pure water here, but I just noticed that I don't even.
No,
I don't have money anymore.
So, are you eating?
No, I'm so hungry.
Let me buy you food here. I just finished eating here. They have nice food. Yes, now.
In my shop,
my brother.
Let's go.
Welcome, my friends. Welcome.
Adora, what's the meaning of all this? What's all y'all doing here?
And what is your problem with them staying with me?
See what I'm talking about? Nigga, this your sister is an axe, man. Shit, I'm out of here.
I need all your cowards to get yourself out of my sight right now.
Step back here.
Alright. Where is the other maid? What the hell is she doing here?
And what about her?
What will you do?
What is your problem, Onoche?
Are you trying to disrespect me?
How? If anything happens to that girl, Onoche.
Your Highness, with due respect, I want the princess here to tell me what her intentions towards my desire to take her as my wife. So please, let her speak.
My son, I don't think there's anything to argue about. My daughter, Princess, is all yours and all yours alone.
He's right, Joa. That's true. You see, Princess here must marry you and no one else. She has no other option than to marry you.
Come on, Joa. You're my friend, man. You're my homeboy right from day one, man. I told you my sister, your princess, she's all yours, man. Chill. You have nothing to be afraid of. I see no reason for this gathering. Just chill, man. She's all yours.
That is why I want her to talk. You see, in this life, one can give you a woman, but not a wife. So please, let her say her mind.
Sure.
I want the princess here to talk. I want to know her. Talk. Or should I go?
No, my son. Princess.
Dad.
Talk now. Talk.
I want to ask you a question. What type of intention do you wish to know?
Princess, is that the right way to talk to your husband to be?
Mom, heaven and earth knows that I will never accept its proposal, let alone allow someone who doesn't care about other people to be my husband.
Princess, and what does that supposed to mean?
That is my intention.
Wait. Princess, please, be specific.
Jewel, I will never accept your proposal unless you change from your pride and arrogance.
What? No. Your Highness, did you hear that? Listen, I know when I'm insulted. And she said it looking into my eyes. Oh no. Your Highness, she's gonna pay dearly for this. Princess, you're going to pay dearly for this.
No.
I'm out of here.
No.
She's gonna pay for this.
Nothing.
Come on, go after him. Don't allow him to go. Have you seen what you've just caused? Have you seen it? Why is it that you don't have manners? Eh? You don't know how to talk to someone, not alone your husband to be.
Adora.
What is wrong with you?
Adora. Dad. What is this?
Dad. Even you? Dad, if mom is supporting them, not you. Not you, Dad.
This girl.
Hey, Joel, man. Where you heading to? Nigga, fuck your sister. I told you we can have this whole sorted out. This is gonna be some house to live, man. Man, don't have time for this, man. Take it easy, Joel. Come. Man, I got nothing to talk with you. Get out of my car. What the hell is wrong with you? Joel. Joel. Come on, listen to me. Come on, Joel. You can do this, man. You're my homeboy. You're my homeboy. Joel. You see what you've done, right? You stood right there, and you had the gate open for him to go? Huh? I told you, you ain't gonna stop it. I need all your coming. I need all your coming. I promise. You think I'm that good, right? Get it. Get it, right? You think I'm good, right? Huh? Your head's down. Damn, lose your job. Get your job. I need your three to front jump for me right now. Front jump for me! Don't you know what it takes to front jump? Huh? Have you seen that? You disrespected me in my father's palace? Huh? I told you not to let him out. You then open up the gate and leave them drove up. Ma! Dad! I'm coming for your head. Ma! Ma! Shut the fuck. I need to shut the trap. Don't talk. No more work from you. Front jump for me! You think I'm damn joking? You see how you hug. Put on your dead cat. My eye is front jump. Now put your head on the ground. Sit on the ground.
Bros, welcome. Thank you.
No, so you're welcome once again.
Thank you.
It's good to see you. You know, Ima, your friend here, has been talking a lot about you. About how you helped him with assignments and other needs during school days. You're a good man. You're welcome once again also.
I was very stubborn back in school days. But he always gave me tips. He kind of helped me out on side.
Oh, okay.
Bros, you go today?
Yes.
We'll stay with us.
No, so
Yes, ma'am.
you are going nowhere. You are looking for a job, and I will discuss about that job tonight. Okay?
I would have loved to stay, but my mom is expecting me back.
This boy. You know what? You are going to call someone to tell your mom that you are okay. That you will see her tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
What we have to discuss tonight is very important to you.
But I don't have that time.
I'll give you my phone.
Mommy's boy, relax. Now we there. Mommy's boy.
Also,
free, drink. Now we there.
what to be help?
What I'm about to tell you now will shock you. But that's the truth. I take from people to survive.
I don't understand. How?
Life was made where only the strong survive. I take whatever I want with gone.
You mean you rob people?
Call it whatever you want to call it. But that's the truth. That's what I do. Just look at you. You have been searching for a job for years now. Yet nothing. At your age, you still live off your mother. Is this how you want to continue your life? Look. Come on board, bro. And you make over $1 million every day. You know what? I will leave you to think about this. We'll talk about it tomorrow, okay?
I'd rather die than become an armed robber. I have to be careful. I will tell him I have to go home and prepare and come back. If I reject him outrightly, it might happen.
So, yes. When are you coming back? I'm back in 2 weeks. Fine. You know, poverty is a disease. We have to tackle that in your life. Hello?
Yeah. Also, you're all leaving?
Yes.
You have a safe trip. Hope to see you soon.
Yes, sure. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Dad, you won't understand how it all happened. I mean, no man born of a woman has insulted me or embarrassed me the way she did. As if I knew it was going to be like this. You're here talking about culture and tradition.
Son, I only wanted you to marry that girl so as to learn our culture and tradition through her. That's the reason too. I insisted that you should not marry the Ghanaian. So, because of your long stay abroad.
Dad, to hell with that culture. I mean, what are culture going to contribute to my life? What?
You need it. Remember that you spend 80% of your life in Switzerland. You need now to cooperate with your people. Remember, if not for my knowledge of our culture and tradition, which is a powerful tool and influence that produced the present governor of the state. And you can see that the governor gives me listening ear each time I visit him.
Dad, she won't understand. I mean, I want to leave this country. I'm sick and tired of being here. Come on. No what? I am sick and tired of staying here.
No. No, forget. Take it easy. Eh?
Talk about this, your culture, and this, your tradition. Tired.
Just cheer up. Cheer up. You need it. You are not a foreigner. You need to know.
Thank God I was smart enough to leave Emma. Me become an armed robber. God forbid. I will never tell anybody about this encounter with him.
How you doing? Good morning.
How are you?
Fine. Where is Mama?
Oh, she's inside.
Mama! Where is she?
Look at early this morning.
Hey. Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm fine.
Hope you slept well.
Yes. As you can see, I'm fast recovering.
Yeah.
Thank God for bringing you to our house.
I was on my way to work and I decided to bring you this. That's noodles, custard, bread.
Hey. May God bless you.
Bless you too.
Hey. Hey.
Nonso,
yes.
I'll be on my way to work now. There's something I want us to discuss. It's about your work.
Okay.
Yes, I would like us to discuss about it later.
All right.
Okay, Mama, I'll be on my way, okay? Take good care of yourself. Don't stress yourself too much. I'll come back to see you.
Okay, let me walk you to the gate.
Okay. Mama, take good care of yourself. Oh.
Mama.
Take care of yourself, okay? I'll come back. Okay.
I'm totally disappointed in two of you. What have I not done for you people? After what I spent for you, after all the favors I called in on your son's head to secure his release from jail, what have I not done for you people? Tell me.
Please, it is not that way. Nothing has changed yet. Everything is still under control.
Under control, you say?
Yes, Dad. Please, we have to fix everything and put it in order.
Maybe that rubbish. Is this a shame that you people connive and put on my son's head? Or the agony you put on his head that you want to put in order? Tell me, let me hear.
Don, please. I personally wish to apologize to Joel and
all things have passed away. Joel is no longer interested in your daughter.
Don, you can't do this to us. Please, we promise to try harder this time around. Please.
Well, for your information, Joel traveled to Abuja this afternoon. And from there, he will travel to Switzerland before relocating to Germany. Is that clear?
Don, please, what of Prince? Won't he travel with him again?
You failed in this simple arrangement. I have failed with my promise. Short and simple.
Please, Don. Please, you can do something. Please. You have to help us.
You're all ingrates.
See, the way Igwe is forcing Princess to Joel, I'm confused though.
Very, very.
So why are you confused?
Then why am I confused? If it's you, will you force your only daughter to go and marry a man that she does not like?
Mind your tongue. Just mind your tongue. Can't you see Lolo and Prince Onochie? They are the ones engineering this thing. I think they are remote controlling Igwe. They are behind it because they need something, you know. But if it's you, I know you will do the same. Ain't you?
Are you crazy? Are you mad? Hi. So you mean now, princess is now a commodity? A commodity to that you man, But I fucked up, man.
It's obvious. That is what they want. Not minding the poor girl's feelings and what she wants.
How will you fold your arms, your two hands like this? You wash that you man, when you gotta come back, you man, follow your only love. Your Amaka as a whole. Before you cannot even do anything, you cannot fight for her.
Said it, Emma, you don't have sense. So if it's you will go there. What do you want me to do? So that he will flog me, John Abby. I'm out of here.
Shut up and come back here. See, if it's me, it is this thing now free. I will fight for her. You don't know me. I will fight for her. Don't tell me that you are not a man enough.
Yeah, Bako, or whatever you call yourself. Mind yourself. Oh, when I Hassan, you tell them you didn't see me. Which one is mine? I don't like what.
Where is the princess?
Not around.
And when did she leave the palace?
In the morning. Yes, in the morning, ma. In the morning. Yes, sir. Yes.
Just calm down. Relax your mind. When one door closes, another one opens.
I got you, Mom. Me no disrespect. It's not about one door closing and the other one opening. It's all about the princess, Mom. Why would you do this to me? After every damn thing I've done for that girl?
It's okay, I understand. But bear in mind that it is only when one falls that you will know who your two friends are. Okay? All that glitters are not good. As for Princess, leave her to me. She will regret ever knowing me in her entire life. I know how to deal with her.
Mommy, good evening. Prince.
Hold it here. Who is your mommy? I'm asking you, who is your mommy? Do I look like an aunt to you? Or someone eaten by a termite? See, if I hear you open your mouth again in your entire life to call me mommy, you will regret ever knowing me in this world.
Why?
What did I hear you call me now? I said, what did I hear you call me now? Where's your mom? Come on! Let me just hear you call me that name again. You will see what I will do to you. Idiots.
That is what I'm talking about, Mom. I got you.
I know how to do it. This is just the beginning.
door is open.
May I sit?
Make yourself comfortable.
You said you have something to discuss with me.
So, why you chose to pay me back like this? After everything I have done for you.
I don't understand.
What's that bullshit? Why the hell did you decide to shatter my dreams and my future? After this long arrangement with Joel? What could Joel have done to you, man? For you to have screwed up my arrangement with him?
Onoche.
I'm not done yet. Are you good the way I am now? Oh, because you hated his hairs. Is this what you want from me? As a brother you claim you love?
Onoche, I didn't scatter your plans as you said. If you people did any business at my back with Joel, that has nothing to do with me. You have a choice, likewise me. And this is marriage we are talking about here, and not friendship. Okay, how would you feel if your only sister, the princess of Akkogu Kingdom, marries today and divorces tomorrow? How would you feel? What then am I teaching the other young girls of this community that sees me as their mirror?
Why should you divorce him?
I should, if it doesn't please me. And that is why I'm doing it now. Onoche, please, I'm begging you. Stop doing this to yourself. I know how you feel. But then think about my future. Your only sister. Joel is not the kind of man you wish for your sister to marry. That guy is full of pride and arrogance. And you know that. Biko, Onwane, if Joel truly wants to help you, he will do it without any expectation as payback. Biko, Onwane, I'm begging you. Stop doing this.
I don't want you out of my life right now.
Opa Makando, go.
I need you out of my room! Get out!
Stop shouting now, just take it easy. Opa Maka, your health. Just stop doing this.
Can you leave?
Just take it easy on yourself.
She ain't seen nothing yet. Just got started, man. Yes, Mom.
I know why she did it.
For real?
Yes. It is because you are not her biological brother. Yes. Because you are her stepbrother. Do you want to tell me that if it were you, you just watch your sister to miss the God-sent opportunity which she just missed?
Not at all, man.
But there is no problem. Our people do say that when an animal runs faster than is expected of it, the hunter will be left with no other option than to shoot faster than is expected of him. What am I trying to say here? Since Princess has decided to treat you as a stepbrother, you have to be wise and treat her same way too, like a stepsister. As for me, she must gnash her teeth. She must suffer. It's a promise.
I think you're right, Mom. You're damn correct. Noted, Mom.
Can you eat?
I wasn't hungry before, Mom.
But you're hungry now.
Yeah.
Why? I will tell your mates to prepare your food here? Or would you rather come to the dining room?
It's love you, Mom. It's love you. I got you, Mom. I got you.
Don't let this bother you.
I'm good.
Food is so delicious.
Good.
I like it.
Thank you. Can I ask you a question?
What could that be?
Promise me you won't be angry if I ask you.
Ha. No, so you're free. Ask me anything you want. Okay? Got it.
The rumor about you and Don's son.
What about him and I?
Princess.
Mama.
I hope you're managing our food with us.
Mama, I'm the one that finished the food.
Eh?
And I'm asking for more. But Nonso is complaining that your food will finish.
Nonso. Mama is a liar.
Mama, don't mind him.
Mama, it's not true. She's not eating anything. I'm the one that is eating. I'm even telling her to eat and she's saying that she's tired.
Mama, don't worry. Once I'm done with this one, I'll go inside and dish more for myself. The food is so delicious. And also, you're a good cook.
Thank you.
So please, let me go and see Machi. I will come back now. Princess, I hope I'll meet you when I get back.
Why not? I'm still around.
Mama, don't come back quick.
No, Degene. I will not waste time. Take care of her.
Of course I will.
I'm going.
Alright. Mama, everyone. I'm always very happy each time I see Mama looking healthy and strong. It gives me joy.
I can't thank you enough for all the restoration that you brought to us.
Forget about that. And as for the rumor, it's true. But I don't like him. And I can't marry him.
Why?
And so please, I don't want to talk about it. I'm not in the mood.
See, the soup is getting cold. Come on, let's eat.
Alright, let's go down. Oh, delicious.
Make it bigger. I told you, make it bigger.
I should tell you this. I won't be leaving this out soon for PH. Some days, you know.
Why? And do you know anyone over there?
Not at all, Mom. But you know, in the life of every man, you've got to wake up from your weakness and keep walking because the journey of life is damn endless, you know.
My son, you are not weak. Okay? Princess is your weakness.
You know what? I blame Dad for not being able to talk to his daughter, man. And for not being man enough to convince Dawn. They both owe me one. Ma?
Thank God you know that. But there is no problem. But when do you intend leaving for PH?
I don't know yet, but I'm making preparation towards it.
Have you told your dad about this?
Why should I do that, Ma?
No. You have to let him know. If not for any other time. For formality's sake.
You think so?
Yes.
Alright, I will. I'm not going to tell him exactly where I'm heading to.
No. My major concern is for you to let him know about your movements, nothing else.
Alright, I promise you, Ma.
Tyler, open the gate for me.
Madam, I'm sorry. Prince Onoche ordered me not to open the gate anytime you are driving out to the sky. From today onwards, else I will lose my job.
My job, I don't want to shut my heart.
Not only losing your job, you can as well lose your damn life if you ever disobey my orders in this palace.
Onochi, what is the meaning of all this rubbish?
And what the hell does it look like? That is an order, and that order has come to stay. My wares are damn lost in this palace. The gate is wide enough for you to walk out with your 2 legs. And as for the cars that I bought with my hard-earned money and sweat,
I have damn restricted you from using them. Do you know why? You proved yourself unworthy. Damn you.
Oloche! Hey!
Dad, Mom, I've got my mind made up. I mean no disrespect.
Dad, can you imagine? Prince Onoche ordered Silas never to open the gate for me anytime I want to go out with the car, and that is what he just did now.
How is that supposed to be a problem? He bought the car with his money. The car also belongs to him. So, he has the right to choose who drives it or not. It's not an issue.
Princess, I will talk to him over it. Just take a taxi or a bike to wherever you are going if it's that important. I will resolve this later, but not now. I am busy.
Now you listen and listen real good, Princess. A child that says his or her mother will not see sleep will not sleep either. Your bags are all with Silas. And as for the car, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. I've locked it. This is the key. So, say it.
Did you see that?
Princess, I told you I will talk to him.
Then why can't you tell him to give me the key so I can go?
Princess, I told you I want to have rest. I will talk to him over that. Huh? Please, I want to have rest.
Huh? Are you deaf or now dumb? Your father said he wants to rest. He wants to rest.
What else are you still doing there? No problem. No problem! No problem, oh! Bye-bye. Where is Mama? Is she home?
Are you okay? Is everything alright?
Where is Mama?
Mama is not around.
I need you to do me a favor.
What?
I need rest of mind. Can I go inside and have some rest?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Listen, may the good Lord protect you, be with you as you travel, now and always, in Jesus' name.
I ain't got no time. I used to pray.
What else can I give you if not your prayers? You are my mirror, and I have to handle you with care. Have you forgotten you are my only child?
I know you got me, Ma. And I got your back too. It's okay, man. I'm gonna be good. You had better don't mind looking at that fool, okay? I will be leaving right now. And one more thing. You had better don't allow that girl to leave this damn palace with any of the cars I bought with my sweat.
You don't have to trouble yourself on that. She will never try it so far as I'm alive.
I know you got my back. And
Always.
I got yours too, Ma.
Always.
You know what? I've instructed Silas and other guards, just in case she does, you know. Give some bro some hug. I love you, Ma.
Same here, son.
I'ma call you. Take care. I'ma call you.
I mean to ask you a question, my son, since you have refused to tell me your own mother.
Mama, what is it?
It's nothing. But about you and the princess.
The princess?
Yes, my son.
Mama, what about us?
I don't understand what is going on between you and the princess. Is there anything going on at my back that I don't know?
No, Mama, there's nothing going on. I and the princess were friends. Yes. Ever since that incident, we've been friends. Yes, Mama, we've been friends.
I mean, you're working on mine now.
Mama, no. No, Mama, there's nothing like that going on. No. We're just friends.
Just friends?
Yes, Mama.
But why is she now coming here so often?
Mama, she said that whenever she wants peace of mind, that she likes to come to our house. That our home is peaceful.
Peace of mind?
Yes, Mama.
So, you have now become a peacemaker, or are you a peace finder? What is this rumor I'm hearing about?
What rumor, Mama? Mama, is it about the princess and the Don's son?
Yes, now.
No, I don't know. The last time I asked her about it, she said that she was not in the mood to talk about it. That she would tell me later. But I think she rejected the offer.
Rejected? Why would she do that?
Mama, I don't know. She has not told me anything.
But since she rejects me and finds peace in your presence, are you sure maybe she loves you, but she doesn't know how to say that?
Mama, how can you say that? The princess? How can the princess love me? Hey, Mama, how can you look at us? How can the princess descend so low into loving a man like me?
My son.
Mama, I beg.
What an elder sits down to see. A child will not see while standing. Use your teeth. Count your teeth with your tongue. You are a man.
What are your findings?
Your Majesty, it is true. I saw her and the boy leaving the boy's house. And by looking at them, even the blind can tell that the both are in a deep relationship.
You will take me to the place tomorrow.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You may now leave. So, this is the way now. Princess, you and whosoever you are living with has touched me where it really pains me. But you will stand to regret every single step you make in this land. I will see the idiot that is better than Chua tomorrow.
Hope I'm not making you uncomfortable.
No. Not at all. No, not at all.
Okay.
Princess, can I ask you a question?
Why not? Go ahead.
Are you okay? I mean, is there something wrong with you? You look worried. Anybody from afar could tell that you are worried. What is the problem?
My family. My family is my problem. The king, Lolo, and my brother Prince. They are my headache.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
They asked me to marry Joel, Don's son, but I refused.
Why?
Some time ago, Prince was sent to jail. It was done through the help of the governor, that helped to ensure that he was set free without completing his jail term. When Prince came back home, Don asked him to relax, that his son will soon be back from Germany, that he will process his visa, so when his son comes back, the both of them will go back to Germany. When Joel came back, he saw me and declared interest in marrying me, but I refused. Also, he's not the kind of man I can spend the rest of my life with. I can't.
So, what exactly is wrong with him?
Pride. Arrogance. Is what I hate too much, and he's full of them both.
Oh, I made it! Honestly now. I made it. I told you I'll make my parents proud. I'll go eat better chicken. I'll go eat better chicken. No, go there, no go there. What of you now? Okay, come my area, we'll go celebrate time.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing here?
I'll call you back.
I said, what the fuck are you doing here? Do you know how much I bought this car?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
So you just I made my exams.
So fucking what? You know how much I bought this car? You made your exams and you're using this your fucking dirty color to dirty my car. Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Put this rag. Put this rag. I said, stay down there. Put this rag. I said, put this rag. Oh, come on, clean the gap. Clean the gap. Are you mad?
Stop right now. Leave this place.
Hey, come
I
back.
said leave.
I said come back.
I said leave.
Hey. Oh, are you challenging me now?
Why you can't?
Oh, she's challenging me. You know what? Get your ass inside the car. Let's leave. We'll see about that. Come on, enter the car.
Joe, please, I don't like the way you're driving. You just have to take it easy. Why are you looking at me like that?
You know what the fuck are you talking about? I'm driving calmly, man. Stop that.
I should stop that.
Yeah.
No problem. Oh my god. Please, can you change the music? I don't like it.
It's been production.
What can I say?
Mr. Favor on the microphone.
Actually, I'm scared. Humanity is complete one.
Hey! God will punish you. God will punish you, stupid man. Nonsense. Stupid man.
Oh my god! What is the meaning of what you just did right now? Are you okay? I want to get down right now. I want to get down. Joe, I want to get down. I said I want to get down. And because I refused to marry him, my family turned their back against me.
I'm sorry. I'm really
sorry about the whole thing. I don't know what to say.
No, so every human deserves peace and happiness. All I need is someone who will understand my feelings. To know when I'm happy and when I'm not. This heart has been broken severally. And I had to quit relationship years back. Till that boy, Joel, came back. Yet things didn't change. And so I deserve a humble person like you.
What do you mean by a humble person like me?
No, sir. You need to understand it. I love you. And I would like to spend the rest of my life with you. For in you, I find happiness and understanding.
Love on yourself, me with a biggie. Love for someone when you me with a biggie. And they say follow Nansa or Kenya.
I don't have anything to offer you.
You don't need to offer me anything. We can manage life. I don't need anything from you. All I need from you is happiness. I love you so much.
I stand for you, my people love more. Together we will be, my people love more. If I serve up, people will love more. If I serve us, people will love more. My people be more, my little one, be dancer. My people love more, my little one, be dancer. I see you, I fall for you. Nothing, absolute nothing. We stand in between us. Naturally, my gift lover. Naturally, my gift lover. When the naturally, my gift lover. Happy Jerry come get happy na come gana. Aburana Mirina Magi. Agamamuna gia. Aburana Muna Jagi. Agachamuna gia. Aburani Furaniano. Where if I be? Aburani no Ajogi. Anamugisa. I stand for you. My people love more. Together we will be, my people love more. If I serve up, people will love more. If I serve us, people will love more. My people be more, my little one, be nice. My people love more, my little one, be nice.